Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to connect Instagram business account to Facebook page. So for this you need to require two things. First, your Instagram ID will be linked with your Facebook account, and on the same Facebook account your page will be created. Then you will face no issue while connecting your Instagram business account to your Facebook page. So if your Instagram business account is not connected with your Facebook account, then no worries, I will show you completely how can you connect both. So let's start the process. Open your Instagram app. After it open, you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon. So as you see, this is my Instagram business account. Now simply tap on edit profile icon, and here is the option page, connect or create. Tap on this one. So if your Instagram business account is not connected with your Facebook account, then this icon will be shown. Then tap on continue. Here are all of my pages. So I already created these pages on my Facebook. If your Facebook page is not created, then first go to your Facebook and create your page, and then come back and connect this with your Instagram. So these are my Facebook pages. I am selecting one of these, like I am selecting the third one. One more thing, you can also create your new Facebook page here, but it's good if you will create your Facebook page on the Facebook app. After selecting, tap on the done icon. So as you see, now my Facebook page is connected with my Instagram business account. After selecting, tap on this tick sign which is at the right top. So by this way you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram business account. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.